In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clone my exact affiliate marketing business and use it as your own. Cloning my business allows you to focus on getting commissions instead of building email sequences or funnels all on your own. I'm going to show you step by step how to clone my affiliate marketing business so you can use it for yourself. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you can get notified every time I put out a free video on how to make money online using affiliate marketing. So let's jump right in. Okay, so here we are on the Clone My Business page. The first step is joining the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. If you've already done this, go ahead and move on to step 2. If you haven't, this step is required before you can move on because Legendary Marketer teaches you step by step the foundation of skills that are needed to make your online business succeed. Without taking the challenge, you won't have the required skills to implement what I'm going to show you next. So click this button here and sign up, and then come back here for step 2. Step 2 is signing up for your free trial of ClickFunnels. You get a 14-day free trial. This is needed to allow you to clone my exact templates and import them into your ClickFunnels account for your online business. All of my pages are built in ClickFunnels, so if you don't have an account, you won't be able to use them. ClickFunnels is a funnel builder, website builder, and much more. I have many funnel templates that I'll be sharing with you in the future as well to help you along your online journey. If you haven't completed the 15-day business challenge yet and applied to be an affiliate with Legendary Marketer, then I would wait until you have done that before you complete the rest of these steps. This will allow you to maximize your ClickFunnels free trial. So once you sign up for ClickFunnels, go ahead and move on to the next step. Step 3 is getting your custom domain for your business. A custom domain is so people can actually find your funnel or website on the internet. But don't worry, I have found the absolute cheapest price for your domain if you click the button below this video. It's with Namecheap, and it will cost you roughly $9 for the entire year. So go ahead and get your custom domain and then come back to this page for the next step. Step 4 is signing up for your email autoresponder and grabbing your email swipes to copy and paste and use as your own. Follow the instructions in the video and go through and set up your autoresponder and get your emails loaded so that they'll run on autopilot. There are so many different types of autoresponders that you can use. Some are free and some paid. Whichever one you use is completely up to you, and the email swipes are yours to keep. So click this button and get a free trial with ActiveCampaign. That's the email autoresponder that I use and love. I love their automation portion of it. And then, of course, your email sequences are here. It's a Google Doc, so you just copy and paste those. Step 5 is the fun part. Make sure that you're logged in your ClickFunnels account, and then click on the button below the video and load my funnel into your account. It's as easy as that. Go through the video for step-by-step instructions on how to get the funnel set up and connected so that you'll be ready to start driving traffic to your funnel and start making some commissions. Now, step 6, I put some extras in here. I've got a bridge page video script that you can use to create your video that's needed on your bridge page to get your audience introduced to you and your brand. If you are completely not ready to get in front of the camera, which I totally understand because I was at one point, I have a link for you to go to Fiverr.com, and you can hire a voiceover for an animation video or doodly whiteboard video. Just provide them with the script I've given you and have someone make a video for you. The next step is joining my free Facebook group. Here, I provide free support for anyone that joins the group, along with tips, strategies, and freebies to help you grow your business online. So join the group. If you have any questions about cloning my business or making money online or affiliate marketing in general, I'll be there to answer your questions. The last step is subscribing to my YouTube channel. Here I provide free tutorials, and I'm going to post extended versions of my TikTok videos showing you new ways to make money online, as well as tips, tricks, and strategies to help you grow your affiliate marketing business. So click this button here and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Well, that's the end of this tutorial. Each one of these videos goes in depth with each one of these steps to help you put it all together. Okay, so don't worry, just watch the videos, rewatch them if you need to, but make sure to join my free Facebook group and I'll answer any questions you have inside the group. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside the group.